Will start at $13,980. That's less expensive than two of its closest competitors and priced on the others in the B-car segment. And at under $14,000, it is not just a price leader. You get a 5-speed manual transmission, ABS, traction and stability control, air conditioning, power windows, mirrors, and door locks, CD player, keyless entry, and more. You can see all the standard features of the Mazda 2 on the slide behind me. Now, in order to ensure that we have the cars in our dealerships.
Now, let's take a look at the next addition to our Hyundai line.
A hybrid is usually half of one thing, half of another. And hybrid cars sometimes feel like a compromise between what you need and what you want. If you love the idea of a hybrid, but not the compromise, Hyundai has created something entirely different. A full power, full scale, driver's car with all the traits. For people who want it all, we've got the hybrid for you. Introducing the 2011 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Walter de Silva, Chief Designer for Volkswagen, and Bernd Stiebel, the Hybrid Powertrain Project Manager for the Touareg. Actually, it is appropriate that Walter and Bernd
Take it out.